Welcome to the best picks. The best manual BP monitor is probably one of the most important health devices you can own, providing accurate and reliable blood pressure readings from the comfort of your home, empowering you to take control of your cardiovascular health and potentially saving your life. In this video, we will review its functions, accuracy, and ease of use, helping you decide if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. Dixie EMS Deluxe Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. It's designed for adult arms, between 10 and 16 inches. The inflation bag has 2 air release valves for precise inflation, making it easy to use with one finger. The high contrast dial is easy to read, ensuring accurate measurements. Plus, it has a handy clip to attach to your clothing. This cuff fits comfortably. It's sized for adults, ranging from 25.4 centimeters to 40.6 centimeters. It features a precise and durable valve for smooth and reliable inflation and deflation. Keep it organized and protected with the included zippered carrying case. It's perfect for storage and transport. This sphygmomanometer provides accurate readings and is built to last. It's a reliable tool for measuring blood pressure. What we like? It's latex-free and easy to use with a single finger. The large, easy-to-read dial ensures accuracy. If you have sensitive skin or need a simple, reliable monitor, this is the one for you. What people say? Just like the ones I used in the hospital. Very accurate. Easy to bring anywhere and easy to read. And it's better and more accurate than the electronic ones. It fits a regular-sized adult arm, and the dial is easy to see. The cuff is comfortable for adults, and the gauge is easy to read. The carrying case is sturdy and keeps everything organized. The included calibration tool is a nice touch. Overall, it's a reliable and well-made kit. Number 4. Santamedical Adult Deluxe Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. This blood pressure monitor has received FDA clearance, meeting the highest safety and performance standards. It provides reliable readings for healthcare professionals and individuals. It's built to last. This monitor has undergone rigorous testing to ensure accuracy and durability over time. You can trust it for years to come. Get fast and clear readings with its large, easy-to-read dial. Checking your blood pressure is quick and simple. It's made without DHP, keeping you and the environment safe. The large air release valve ensures precise and controlled deflation for accurate readings. With its certified manometer, it offers exceptional accuracy of plus or minus 3 millimeters of mercury. The innovative cuff design is also easy to use. What we like? This monitor is FDA cleared and rigorously tested for accuracy and durability. The precise manometer ensures reliable readings. If you need a trustworthy and long-lasting monitor, this is a great choice. What people say? Build quality, easy to use. My daughter got this for her nursing school. It works great and easy to use. I understand that these reviews are supposed to be about the product. Since the supplier under Amazon's banner may change from time to time, it may defeat the purpose of the review to base it on the seller's performance. Nevertheless, my satisfaction comes from this. 1. I bought this particular cuff entirely for the deering. Only a few cuffs on Amazon specified that particular device, which makes it easy to wrap the cuff around your own arm. Number 3. PARAMED Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. It comes with everything you need, a sphygmomanometer and a stethoscope, all neatly packed in a carrying case. Ready to use right out of the box. This manual blood pressure cuff is designed for long-term use. The durable materials and precise construction ensure accuracy and reliability. It's designed for clinical accuracy. The metal gauge and quality stethoscope give you precise blood pressure readings every time. The large, clear numbers are easy to read, making it perfect for everyone. The air release valve is simple to operate with just your thumb. It's lightweight and portable, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. Perfect for home, work, or travel. The cuff is made of high-quality, latex-free PVC and polyester for comfortable and safe use. It's designed to fit a wide range of arm sizes. What we like? It comes with a stethoscope and is designed for ease of use, even for those with low vision. The accurate gauge ensures reliable readings. If you want a convenient, all-in-one kit, this is perfect. What people say. Made of durable nylon, it fits comfortably on your hand. The large, easy-to-read dial makes taking readings simple, and the zippered carry bag adds convenience for travel. Overall, it delivers accurate readings. The cuff is slightly more comfortable to put onto someone and is easier to get a tight fit in comparison to other cuffs. The cuff seems decent and is reasonably comfortable. The D-ring design means you will be either taking it apart each time or sliding up the arm. Number 2. PrimaCare DS9197 BK Blood Pressure Kit. It provides accurate and precise blood pressure readings every time. Get reliable results with each clinical test, ensuring your health data is dependable. This kit measures both your blood pressure and heart rate simultaneously. It's efficient and convenient for quick health checks. It includes a washable nylon cuff and a long-lasting latex inflation system. This ensures it's ready for repeated use. It's compact and comes in a convenient black leatherette carrying bag. Take it with you wherever you go, home, office, or travel. Skip the clinical visits. Use this kit at your convenience for easy and regular blood pressure monitoring at home or on the go. This kit is designed for easy one-handed operation. It simplifies the process, making it user-friendly for everyone. What we like. This kit provides accurate readings and is conveniently portable. The compact design makes it ideal for travel or on-the-go use. If you need a portable and accurate blood pressure kit, this is a great option. What people say. The blood pressure cuff I purchased has quickly become an invaluable tool in my health journey. This reliable companion ensures accurate readings and provides peace of mind, making it the perfect blood pressure cuff. Accuracy is crucial when it comes to monitoring blood pressure, and this cuff delivers exceptional results. The readings are consistently precise and reliable, allowing me to track my blood pressure with confidence. The digital display is easy to read, and the intuitive interface makes navigating the device a seamless experience. Having reliable tools to monitor my health is important, and the PrimaCare DS9197 BK has become my go-to for accurate and easy blood pressure readings. Accuracy first, the readings from this kit have consistently matched those taken at my doctor's office, giving me peace of mind that I'm getting reliable information. The clear gauge is easy to read, and the inflation-deflation valve makes taking measurements a breeze. Built to last, this isn't a flimsy plastic kit. The Aneroid gauge feels sturdy, and the nylon cuff is comfortable and durable. It does the job well. I purchased this set for CNA training and it's withstood around 60 pressure readings rather well and still looks brand new. Number 1. MDF Calibra Aneroid Sphygmomanometer. It has a long history of reliability, trusted by medical professionals for over 50 years. This ensures accuracy and dependability you can count on. This device is calibrated to last a lifetime. You'll always get precise readings without needing recalibration. It's designed for quick and simple blood pressure checks, whether you're in a clinic, at home, or traveling. Get accurate readings effortlessly. The extra-large dial is easy to read, even from a distance. Its high-contrast design ensures clear readings every time. The durable cuff and case are designed to withstand daily use. It's also easy to clean and maintain for long-lasting performance. The high-quality inflation bulb and precise screw-type valve give you complete control over the process. This ensures accurate and comfortable readings. What we like. It features a lifetime calibration and an extra-large, easy-to-read dial. The durable materials ensure long-lasting use. If you are looking for a high-quality, long-lasting monitor with precise readings, consider this one. What people say. Purchased as a requirement for my EMTB. Have ended up carrying it with me in my go bag, and it is often my go-to over an automated BP cuff as it is far more reliable and accurate. I am a nurse. This is a well-made product and it provides accurate readings. Build well. Accurate. Easy to read. Great for emergency kit for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.